It's good to do everything twice because then you get to know how to do it really well. Just kidding. I had to do it twice because I screwed up. Kind of glad that I redid it because it gave me the opportunity of taking the whole thing apart rather than just half of it. Before, I was afraid that that part didn't come off, stator, and I didn't want to break it, so I just left it and then taped it up, painted around it. But this time, because of the paint being inside, I was able to take that off and clean it up real good. I didn't know that came out. Alternators. Oh, good. This one we can clean, huh? I've been hoping to clean this stator. Surprised to see the first paint that I had taken off. I soaked it in the engine cleaner and the stuff just peeled off. And I got a wire brush and got it out real good and rinsed it off and it was done. It was so surprising to see it come off that easily. I'm going to let it dry out and then mask it up and paint it. I'm going to go ahead and mask this part up just to keep it free for the most part. I'll probably paint the edges, but keep it free where the belt's going to be positioned. First coat. So now we got all the main components painted, cleaned up, and now it's time to put them together. Okay. So this is the back cover. I don't know what it's called, stator, but it's nice and clean. And I don't know what this part is called, but that looks pretty awesome. Rotor assembly, front cover, bearing, pulley. Nice and smooth, huh? Oh yeah. Putting these on and killing my arms. In the meantime, what do you think of that? thought I'd try the gold paint I had. It's gold enamel. And I didn't want to do too much with it because it'll look really tacky if I put a bunch of gold parts on it. It's the old color. See the old color on the new color? Whatever. That works too. Alright, so there were bolts supposed to be in order. I always try to put the nuts and the bolts that I take off in a specific order, so when I get ready to put them back in, they're already there and I just follow the pattern, right? It never seems to work. For some reason I always end up pushing the bolts around when I move stuff, clean other things, and it just doesn't work. But fortunately I have photographs. You should always take photographs of the pieces you're taking apart, especially if they're complex. That just fits. Lucky me. Alright, so that seems to be right. Got anything smaller than this. Unbelievable. Alright, so there is the alternator. Painted, refurbished. It feels like it's been cleaned. It runs really well. So that's it for the alternator. Now I got the carburetor, alternator, some other parts done, wrapped up in plastic and put away for when I start rebuilding the whole engine. I'm taking apart the engine a little at a time, from the top down, front and everything, cleaning it up one big piece at a time. I'll get the heads machined and then put everything all back together, probably in the back patio here. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Maybe you saw something that could have been done better. I'm all open for suggestions, and see you again next time. Bye.